The purpose of this presentation is to introduce a novel medical device designed to add robotic abilities to a standard colonoscope, especially in the intubation phase into the colon. The benefits: improving safety aspects of colonoscopy, improving the intubation time into the colon, a low-cost add-on. The team is led by Professor Itan Skapa and Mr. Ben Levin. Let's talk about colorectal cancer. Colorectal cancer is the second leading cause of cancer-related mortality. Among U.S. adults, there are 150,000 new cases annually, with a mortality rate of 50,000. Enfolding treatment costs of $20 billion. More than 20 million colonoscopies for colorectal cancer screening and follow-ups are performed annually in the U.S., and more than 70 million globally. Colonoscopy is an examination of the entire colon, from the anus to the cecum. The need. Safety. The colonoscopy procedure can be made safer by controlling the maximum force and pressure applied to the patient. The GI gap. There is a growing shortage of gastroenterologists and an increasing patient volume, affecting screening capacity and cost for colorectal cancer. The procedure is performed using an endoscope, which has a long, thin, flexible tube with a light and a tiny video camera attached to the end. The camera transmits images to a monitor, allowing the doctor to see the inside of the colon. The following diagram describes the process of inserting the colonoscope into the colon through the anus. The gastroenterologist pushes and turns the colonoscope, directing the end with two pulleys, up and down or left and right, depending on its position as seen on the video screen. Current status limitation. The colonoscopy requires great skill with one hand, since the bowel is twisted and the direction of muscle activation is reversed. Insertion of the colonoscope is also dangerous because of the limited control of the forces and pressures involved with the process. The solution: an electromechanical system using engines to replace the functioning of the rollers. The electromechanical system uses a motor and pulleys that will allow for linear movement and rotation, replacing the doctor's hand movements. The computerized system is based on an algorithm that allows relative motion of the end of the colonoscopy camera according to its actual location in the intestinal cavity. The system measures the force of the colonoscopy and internal gas pressure of the intestine, and also has a safe motion algorithm of the colonoscope to reach the cecum. The customer benefits of this novel innovation: improving safety of colonoscopy procedure by controlling force and pressure, improving the intubation time of the endoscopists, including interns, utilizing existing equipment already in service at the colonoscopy center, possibly decreasing pain experience during and after the procedure, a low-cost add-on, easy to embed. Thank you.